Hey, what's going on, students? Let's do the Gimme That Stimmy. Use your polynomial multiplication skills. Find the area of this triangle and write it as a polynomial in standard form. The base is b plus 6 and the height is 2b plus 5. Remember, the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. So we got to multiply this. We got to go 1/2 times the base, which is b plus 6, times the height, which is 2b plus 5. Okay, so this part of it we can actually do with a polybox. All right, so let's do that really quick. You can do FOIL. I like to do polybox. I kind of like to take my time with these. It's kind of fun to slow things down and do them accurate so you don't mess them up. And my b and 6 look exactly the same, so that's kind of funny. 2b and the 5 goes on top. So remember, you line up one binomial on the side, the other binomial on the top, and you go one binomial at a time. Excuse me, one multiplication box at a time. b times 2b is a 2b squared. 5 times b is a 5b. 2b times 6 is a 12b, and then 6 times 5 is a 30. When you combine the like terms, the 12b and the 5b, rewrite. This is going to turn into a 2b squared plus a 17b plus a 30. Okay, so it's half times all of this noise. So basically you just chop all of these things in half. So instead of just taking it times a half, I'm going to divide everything by 2 because that's the same thing. Dividing by 2 is taking something times 1/2. So this cancels. So we're going to have a 1b squared. 17 divided by 2, I believe, is 8.5. So we're going to have an 8.5b. That's what that simplifies to. And then 30 divided by 2 is a 15. All right. So if I were to write it out nice and neat like in real life, it would be a single b squared plus an 8.5b plus a 15. Please use decimals. I think I have them set up where most of your b values are going to be a decimal because of reasons. All right, so remember the lone b squared, there's a 1b in there, but we would write it both ways. But just for now, you got to put a 1 in there. So you know there's one of them, okay? Bonus question. If b actually equaled 25.1, what is the actual area actually? Well, I would just plug 25.1, this number, I'd plug you right in there. And don't forget there as well, right? So you can basically write it out in a calculator and the calculator will do the whole thing for you. So if you go bracket 25.1, close the bracket, square it, there's your b squared, plus an 8.5 bracket 25.1, close the bracket, don't square it, just regular b, okay, plus a 15. You can plug that whole thing in your calculator and it'll give you the answer. I think I have it over here. Give me 1 second here. There we go. 25.1 squared plus 8.5 times 25.1 plus 15 is 858.36. Okay, move over. Don't need you anymore. So it was, oh no, I ran out of room here. Oh no. Let's see here. So the answer was 858.36. Okay, use all of the decimals. I think I have these set up where just a couple of decimal places. Please include all of them. All right, that's it. So make sure you go 1/2 base times height. Base times height, you're going to do a polybox or you can do FOIL. And then chop all of your coefficients in half because we don't want all of them. We want half of them. And then drop your coefficients into the blanks. And then you want to also use your final area, your polynomial standard form area. Use it as actually kind of like a formula. You plug in the b value, evaluate it carefully in a calculator, and then everybody wins. All right, that is the Gimme That Stimmy. We'll see you in class.